guys, welcome back to the channel with another episode of This Week in AI. And we got a back week of announcements from OpenAI's new memory feature to the Meta's next-gen smart glasses, and even Elon Musk raising another $10 billion for XAI. So let's start with the video with our first update. OpenAI is working on something called Golden Hour features. In simple words, it's all about smarter memory management inside the ChatGPT. When your memory is nearly full, says 95% on the free plan or 90% for the paid ones, you will now see a manage button and a special banner with upcoming announcements. This suggests OpenAI is gearing up for the major upgrade in how ChatGPT handles long-term memory. Next, Meta unveiled its futuristic Ray-Ban display glasses at Meta's Connect 2025. These smart glasses now have a built-in display for the notification, navigation, and AI assistant, all powered by the Meta's AI. And here's a cool part. They paired with their new neural band, a wristband that let you control the glasses using tiny wrist gestures. Battery life is double, video capture is better, and they hit the market in the September 2025. Google is turning Chrome into more than just a browser. With Gemini AI built in, you will now get smarter summaries, automatic tab organization, and even custom theme generated from the page that you are viewing. Basically, Chrome is starting to feel more like an AI assistant than just a browser. Anthropic rolled out two big upgrades for the Claude: persistent memory and file editing. Now, teams and enterprise can have Claude remember context across sessions for the smoother collaborations. Plus, Claude can now generate and edit file directly, whether it's a spreadsheet, PowerPoint, PDF, or any document. It's like having a personal AI coworker inside the Claude.ai. Now, let's talk about a big corporate news. Microsoft and OpenAI signed a new memorandum of understanding. In simple terms, OpenAI shifting to a for-profit structure with the option for the future IPO. Microsoft will stay invested, but for now, Azure is reduced, meaning OpenAI has more freedom to the partner elsewhere. Both sides says they are committed to the innovation and AI safety. This marks a new chapter in their alliance. For creators, ElevenLabs just launched Studio 3.0, a complete AI editor for audio and video. It combines AI voiceover, music, sound effect, captioning, and even video signing all in your browser. Need to fix a line, just edit a text and AI regenerate the audio seamlessly. This could be a game changer for the podcaster, audiobook creator, and the VTuber as well. Now, let's talk about Perplexity. Perplexity is stepping up with its new Comet agent. It's a secure server-side AI browser assistant that can even handle things like online bargaining flows and password management with one password. On the top of that, they just launched Enterprise's Max Plan with $325 per user per month, offering unlimited queries, video generation, and top-tier securities for big teams. Notion just launched its biggest update yet, Notion 3.0, the Highlight AI agent. This agent acts like a real teammate, building project plans, analyzing data, drafting content, and even running automation across your workspace. Is Notion evolving from a productivity tool into a collaborative AI platform? Finally, let's talk about XAI. Elon Musk company just raised another $10 billion, pushing it to valuation to the $200 billion. At the same time, Musk update Ask algorithm with AI-powered personalization with a new scoring system, and the big release, Grok for Fast, a highly efficient multimodal model with a massive 200 million context window. It's also launched as a cheaper mini model through XAPI, making advanced model reasoning more affordable. And that's a wrap for this week AI update. Which update excited you the most? Drop your thought in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly AI news.